Hello and welcome. You're now looking at Systeme IO, and Systeme IO is an all-in-one marketing platform. It gives you the ability to create sales funnels as well as to use its email marketing services. It allows you to build entire websites and to have your own private affiliate program. You can use it to host and create your online courses, and you can implement marketing automation, including funnel creation. The platform does have connections to third-party cloud-based connector Zapier, which will allow you to connect with other cloud-based systems. And if you look at the pricing table, you will see some of the other features that it has available. And again, this pricing is available as of the recording of this video. There are connections to payment gateways such as Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, and Flutterwave. And in addition to the platform allowing you to run your own affiliate program, you can become an affiliate and you can market to the other individuals that may need access to the platform. You are able to test the entire system free, have up to 2,000 contacts, build 3 sales pages with 15 funnel steps, have 1 blog as well as 1 course that you can deliver. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the free plan. So we're going to click this link and we're going to sign up for Systeme IO. Now, as of the recording of this video, we did get the offer to upgrade to an annual plan and to do so at a discount. What we're going to do is we're going to stop the video here. We're going to pick it up from confirming our account and getting started with Systeme IO. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.